So now we are going to discuss the window menu, which at the least requires the base development system. The window menu contains items for configuring the appearance of the current window. The window menu displays a maximum of 10 open windows. Select a window to bring that window to the front. And make it active. The open projects display is a separate section and not in the list of open windows such as front panels or block diagrams. Some menu items are available only on specific operating systems with specific LabVIEW development systems. When an item in the Project Explorer window is selected or when a VI is selected. So the first item is show block diagram if you are on the front panel, and if you are on the block diagram then it turns to show front panel. Next item is tile left and right, which arranges the front panel and block diagram side by side onto the left and right. Next option is tile up and down, arranges the front panel and block diagram on the top and the bottom of the screen. Next item is show project, which displays the project explorer window for the project that contains the current VI. Next item is full size, which opens the front panel or the block diagram from whichever you invoke this command to its full size. And the last item here is all windows, which displays the all windows dialog box. We can use the all windows dialog box to manage all open windows, like show, or close window, or save it.